Want to play classic Neo Geo arcade games like Marvel vs. Capcom, Metal Slug, The King of Fighters 2002 on your PC? In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and set up WinKawaks properly. And I'll also show you how to fix game crashes, blurry screen not saving, these common problems step by step. Download WinKawaks and extract the emulator files. Before launching the emulator, I recommend keeping the entire WinKawaks folder in a simple location, such as your documents, downloads, or a folder on your desktop. This is important because, in some cases, WinKawaks may fail to save your configuration if the folder doesn't have proper write access. Fullscreen crash compatibility. Fix this by right-click on the WinKawaks executable and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Now enable Run this program in compatibility mode for and select Windows 7. A cleaner and sharper image. Open the video options inside WinKawaks. Then, find the video filter section. Here, select kscale, and for the filter option, choose plain. That's it.